Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how to fix infinite loading screen on Apex Legends. Alright, so let's begin the video. First, ensure the Apex Legends servers are operational by checking their status in your region. Open your web browser and search for Server Status Apex Legends. Confirm that the servers are running smoothly before proceeding with troubleshooting steps. Begin by managing any external drives connected to your PC. Locate the Safely Eject hardware icon in your computer's system tray, usually found at the bottom right of your screen. Right-click on the icon and safely eject any external drives connected. External drives can sometimes cause conflicts, so temporarily removing them can help rule out potential issues. Next, navigate to the local disk where Apex Legends is installed. Open File Explorer and navigate to your local disk, typically C. Look for folders labeled Program Files and Program Files x86. Depending on where Apex Legends is installed, whether it's through eGames or Origin Games, locate and open the corresponding folder. Look for the Apex Legends folder, usually named Apex or Apex Legends, and open it. Inside, locate the file named r5apex.exe. Right-click on r5apex. exe and select Properties from the context menu. In the Properties window, navigate to the Compatibility tab. Check the boxes for Run this program in compatibility mode for and choose Windows 8 inches from the drop-down menu. Also, ensure Disable Full Screen Optimizations and Run this program as an administrator are checked. Click Apply and then OK to apply the changes. If the issue persists, locate and delete the r5apex.txt file within the same folder. This file can sometimes become corrupted and lead to game issues. After deleting the file, verify the integrity of the game files to ensure nothing is missing or corrupted. If you are using Steam, open the Steam client, navigate to your library, find Apex Legends, right-click on it, select Properties, go to the Local Files tab, and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. This process will check for any damaged or missing files and replace them as necessary. So that's basically how to fix infinite loading screen on Apex Legends. So that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing and giving this big thumbs up. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.